Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the science-backed benefits and risks of jump rope. Jumping rope isn't just a fun childhood activity, it's a powerful full-body workout supported by real scientific research. But like any form of exercise, it also comes with risks you should understand before adding it to your routine. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to help grow our fitness family. Benefit number 1. More energy through a healthier heart and lungs. Jump rope is a high-intensity aerobic exercise that significantly improves cardiovascular fitness. It gets your heart pumping, strengthens your lungs, and boosts overall endurance. Studies show that regular skipping can lower blood pressure, reduce the risk of heart disease, and improve heart health. One experimental study involving college males aged 18 to 25 split participants into two groups. One group performed jump rope exercises twice daily for 12 weeks, gradually increasing intensity from 55% to 85% of their target heart rate. The second group continued normal daily activities. The results showed significant improvements in VO2 max, which is the maximum amount of oxygen your body can use during exercise. Even more impressive research suggests that 10 minutes of jump rope can be as effective as 30 minutes of treadmill running when it comes to improving VO2 max. Higher oxygen uptake means more energy, better focus, improved mood, and greater productivity throughout the day. Benefit number 2. Fat loss and lean muscle growth. Jump rope is a calorie-burning powerhouse. It increases metabolism, helps burn fat, and builds lean muscle, especially in the thighs and calves. When you jump rope, your leg muscles rapidly stretch and contract, making them stronger and more powerful over time. Since your legs contain some of the largest muscle groups in your body, increasing their muscle mass boosts your metabolism even at rest. That means you continue burning calories long after your workout ends. As a bonus, toned legs and calves don't hurt either. Benefit number 3. Stronger bones. Regular jump rope sessions improve bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. The impact from jumping stimulates bone growth, making your skeletal system stronger and more resilient. Stronger bones help in daily life, whether it's walking, hiking, playing sports, moving furniture, or preventing lower body stiffness and chronic back pain. For women, strong bones are especially important for pregnancy, recovery, and long-term joint health. Benefit number 4. Better coordination and balance. Jump rope requires rhythm, timing, and coordination. Studies on young footballers and volleyball players show that rope skipping improves balance, agility, explosive power, and reaction time. These skills aren't just for athletes. Good balance and coordination reduce the risk of falls and injuries, especially as we age. Everyday activities like climbing stairs, carrying groceries, or walking on uneven surfaces become safer and easier. Benefit number 5. Improved mood and mental health. Jump rope is fun and fun matters. It releases endorphins, reduces stress, improves sleep, and boosts overall mental well-being. The coordination required also strengthens brain-body connections, enhancing cognitive function and neuroplasticity. A healthier brain leads to a happier, more productive mindset. The risks of jump rope. Risk number 1. Joint stress and overuse injuries. Excessive jump rope without proper technique or rest can strain the ankles, knees, and hips. Overuse injuries like shin splints, tendinitis, and stress fractures are possible. Start slowly, warm up properly, and remember, even trained athletes usually jump rope for only about 15 minutes per session. Risk number 2. Unhealthy weight loss obsession. While jump rope is great for fat loss, extreme exercise combined with restrictive dieting can contribute to eating disorders and poor body image. Fitness should always be approached with balance, not obsession. Risk number 3. Hormonal imbalance. Intense exercise can increase cortisol, the stress hormone. While short-term increases are normal, chronic overtraining can disrupt hormone balance, immune function, and recovery. In some cases, excessive training combined with low-calorie intakes, especially in women, can disrupt menstrual cycles, a condition known as exercise-induced hypothalamic amenorrhea. Final thoughts. Jump rope is a fun, efficient, and science-backed exercise that improves heart health, burns fat, strengthens bones, enhances coordination, and boosts mental well-being. However, moderation is key. Start slow, listen to your body, and prioritize proper recovery.